Do you want to achieve the perfect glass skin using organic skincare products? Welcome to an exploration of the journey towards achieving the much-coveted glass skin, using the purest products nature has to offer. In a world where beauty trends come and go, one has firmly held its ground: the trend of glass skin. It's the epitome of youthful, healthy and hydrated skin that has a smooth glass-like sheen. But how does one get there? The answer lies in nature, in the form of organic skincare. Organic skincare products are rich in nutrients, free from harmful chemicals, and work wonders in maintaining the skin's health and glow. They are the perfect ally in our quest for glass skin, promoting natural beauty while taking care of our planet. In this video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive step-by-step routine to achieve this radiant look. From the moment you wake up to the time you retire for the night, we've got you covered. Stay tuned and discover how to achieve that flawless glow with the help of nature. Firstly, let's understand what glass skin really means. The phrase originates from South Korea and is used to describe skin that is so smooth, so translucent, so clear that it resembles a pane of glass. It's the epitome of skin health, reflecting light like a crystal-clear mirror. The dewy glow from within look is the hallmark of glass skin. To achieve this, your skin must be at its healthiest, hydrated, plumped, and free from blemishes. It's a testament to a diligent skincare routine and a balanced lifestyle. It's not about hiding imperfections, but nurturing your skin to its optimal health and radiance. Now you might be wondering, can organic skincare help me achieve glass skin? The answer is a resounding yes. Organic skincare is all about nourishing your skin with natural, chemical-free ingredients. It's a gentle yet effective way to care for your skin. Organic skincare products are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential oils that can boost your skin's health, promoting a clear, radiant complexion. They can help you achieve that sought-after glass skin look by hydrating and nourishing your skin, reducing inflammation, and promoting skin regeneration. Remember, patience is key. Glass skin isn't achieved overnight. It's a journey that requires consistency, dedication, and the right skincare products. Now that you know what glass skin is, let's move on to the routines that will help you achieve it. Scene script. Start your morning routine with a gentle cleanse. Cleansing is the cornerstone of any skincare regime, a ritual that sets the tone for the day. It's akin to shaking off the sleep and embracing the new day with a fresh face, literally and metaphorically. But it's not just about splashing water on your face, it's a science, an art, if you will. Now, why is cleansing so vital? Imagine your skin as a canvas. A cleanse in the morning removes the oils and sweat that accumulate overnight, providing a clean slate for your skincare products to work their magic. But remember, it's not about stripping your skin bare. It's about maintaining a balance, preserving the skin's natural oils while removing the unwanted residue. So, what type of cleanser should you use? With the plethora of options out there, it's easy to be overwhelmed. Fear not, for we are here to guide you. If you have dry skin, you might want to consider a cream-based cleanser, which will hydrate your skin as it cleans. For oily skin, a gel or foam cleanser can help control the oil production without leaving your skin feeling tight. And for those with sensitive skin, a gentle fragrance-free cleanser is your best bet. Now, onto the process itself. Warm water is your friend here. It helps to open up the pores, allowing the cleanser to penetrate deeper. Apply the cleanser in circular motions, gently massaging it into your skin. This not only helps in removing dirt and oils, but also stimulates blood circulation, giving your skin a healthy glow. Rinse thoroughly, ensuring no product is left behind, as this can lead to buildup and breakouts. Pat your face dry with a clean towel, never rub. Rubbing can cause irritation and damage your skin's natural barrier. So there you have it. A cleanse done right sets the stage for the rest of your skincare routine, allowing your skin to fully absorb the benefits of the products that follow. It's a small step, but one that can make a world of difference in your journey towards achieving that coveted glass skin. With a clean face, you are ready for the next step. The second step in your morning routine should be toning. Now, you may wonder, why tone? Well, toning is a crucial aspect of skincare. It's not just another layer to put on your skin, but serves a much greater purpose. Think of your skin as a canvas. Before you start painting, you prepare the canvas, right? That's exactly what toning does. It prepares your skin for the skincare routine that follows. It removes any residual impurities or makeup that your cleanser might have missed, and balances your skin's pH levels. What's more, toning helps to tighten your pores, reducing the chances of breakouts, and giving your skin that smooth, glass-like appearance we're after. It also increases the absorption of the skincare products that you apply afterwards. So it's clear that toning is not a step to be skipped. Now let's talk about the types of toners. There's a wide array of organic toners available in the market today, each catering to different skin types. For those with oily skin, a toner with witch hazel or green tea can help control oil production. If you have dry skin, a toner with ingredients like aloe vera or rose water can provide that much needed hydration. And if you're someone with sensitive skin, look for toners with chamomile or cucumber, as they're known for their soothing properties. When it comes to applying the toner, it's pretty straightforward. First, you'll want to make sure your hands are clean. Then pour a few drops of the toner onto a cotton pad and gently swipe it all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Don't rub or tug at your skin. Let the toner air dry for a minute or two before moving on to the next step. Remember, the goal here is to achieve that coveted glass skin look, which means every step counts. With your skin now clean, balanced, and ready to absorb all the goodness of the products that follow, you're one step closer to that goal. With your skin prepped, let's move on to moisturizing. Scene script. Hydration is the key to achieving glass skin, and that's where moisturizing comes in. Moisturizing is a crucial step in your skincare routine. It's like offering your skin a long, refreshing drink, but instead of water, it's a cocktail of beneficial ingredients that work together to keep your skin hydrated, healthy, and glowing. Organic moisturizers are a fantastic choice for those seeking to nourish their skin naturally. They're packed full of nutrients derived from nature, free from harsh chemicals, and often sustainably sourced. Organic moisturizers help to lock in hydration, replenish the skin's natural oils, and protect against environmental stressors. They're designed to work in harmony with your skin, promoting a healthy complexion and that coveted glass skin glow. There's a suitable organic moisturizer out there for every skin type. If you have dry skin, look for products with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and shea butter. They offer intense hydration and help to repair the skin's natural barrier. For oily or combination skin, opt for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. Ingredients like green tea and aloe vera can help to regulate oil production, leaving your skin balanced and matte. And if you have sensitive skin, hunt for a moisturizer that's fragrance-free with soothing ingredients like chamomile or oatmeal. Applying your moisturizer correctly is just as important as choosing the right one. Start with a pea-sized amount of product. Warm it between your fingertips, then gently press it into your skin, starting from the center of your face and moving outwards. This method helps the product to sink in more effectively, ensuring your skin reaps all the benefits. Remember, moisturizing isn't just for the face. Extend the love to your neck and décolletage too. These areas are often neglected, but they are just as deserving of your attention. Consistency is key. Make moisturizing a part of your daily skincare ritual, and over time you'll see the benefits in your skin's health and appearance. That's it for the morning routine. Now let's move on to the night routine. Your night routine should start with cleansing and exfoliating. In the world of skincare, cleansing and exfoliating are the dynamic duo that packs a powerful punch. When the sun sets and the stars begin to twinkle, it's time to gift your skin the gentle treatment it deserves. Cleansing is a crucial step that cannot be overlooked. It's the magic trick that makes the day's makeup, dirt, and grime disappear. This is particularly important at night because the skin needs to breathe and rejuvenate while you're tucked away in dreamland. Now let's talk about exfoliation. This is not just about scrubbing away dead skin cells. It's about revealing a brighter, smoother complexion hidden beneath the surface. It's about saying goodbye to dull skin and welcoming a fresh, youthful glow. Choosing the right products is key. You don't want to be too harsh on your skin, especially if it's sensitive. Organic cleansers are a great option, free from harsh chemicals and packed with natural ingredients that nurture your skin. Look for products containing ingredients like chamomile, aloe vera, or rose water, which are gentle yet effective. As for exfoliators, choose ones with natural gentle exfoliants like oatmeal, sugar, or jojoba beads. These natural scrubs will polish your skin without causing irritation or redness. The art of cleansing and exfoliating is a simple one. Start by wetting your face with warm water. Apply your organic cleanser in a circular motion, working your way from the center of your face outwards. Rinse and pat dry. Next, it's time to exfoliate. Apply your chosen exfoliator and gently massage it into your skin, again in a circular motion. Be careful not to scrub too hard. Exfoliation should be a gentle process. Rinse off and pat your skin dry. Remember, your skin is unique, and so should your skincare routine be. Listen to your skin and adjust your routine accordingly. With a clean and fresh face, you're ready for the next step. So let's move on and discover the magic of serums and moisturizers. Finish your night routine with a serum and a good moisturizer. After all, the key to achieving that coveted glass skin is all about hydration and nourishment. Let's talk about serums first. This potent product is designed to deliver high concentrations of specific active ingredients to the skin. Think of it as a targeted treatment, a powerful ally in your quest for radiant, glass-like skin. Organic serums, in particular, are a treasure trove of skin-friendly, naturally sourced ingredients. They're free from harsh chemicals, which means they're kinder to your skin and kinder to the planet. There's a vast array of organic serums out there, each tailored to different skin types and concerns. If your skin is thirsty for hydration, look for a serum with hyaluronic acid. It's a moisture-binding ingredient that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. For those battling blemishes, a serum with tea tree oil or willow bark extract can help soothe inflammation and prevent breakouts. And if you're looking to combat signs of aging, a vitamin C or retinol serum can stimulate collagen production and brighten your complexion. Now, how do you apply a serum? Start with clean, toned skin. Dispense a few drops of the serum into your palm. Rub your hands together to warm it up, then gently press it into your skin. Don't rub or tug, just let your skin drink it in. Moving on to moisturizers. They're the final step in your night routine and the seal that locks in all the goodness from the products you've applied beforehand. A good night moisturizer works while you sleep, helping your skin repair, regenerate, and recharge. Again, the choice of organic moisturizers is vast. You might opt for a rich, creamy formula if your skin is dry, or a light gel-based one if your skin is oily. Ingredients to keep an eye out for include aloe vera for soothing, rosehip oil for rejuvenation, and shea butter for deep hydration. Applying your moisturizer is easy. Take a dollop of the product and dot it around your face, on your forehead, cheeks, chin, and neck. Then, using gentle upward strokes, massage it into your skin. Remember to be gentle and take your time. This is your moment of self-care before you drift off to sleep. And that's your night routine done. Now let's wrap up. Achieving glass skin doesn't have to be complicated, especially when you use organic skincare products. It's all about embracing a routine that's simple, effective, and sustainable. Remember, we began our day with a gentle cleanse, followed by a toning step to balance the skin. Moisturizing was our third step, essential to keep our skin hydrated and glowing throughout the day. As the sun sets, we cleanse once more, this time adding an exfoliation step to remove any gathered impurities. To end our night, we applied a serum packed with beneficial nutrients, followed by a moisturizer to seal in all the goodness. Each product in this routine plays a pivotal role, working together to reveal that coveted glass skin. And remember, consistency is key. Following this routine regularly will help you achieve that dewy, glass-like complexion. So try this organic skincare routine and let nature work its magic on your skin.
Hey there, amazing viewers! If you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button.